Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Let me know if my mic is working in the comments, baby. Mic check 1 2 1 2. This should be better now. This should be better now. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Can you hear me? You should be able to hear me now, baby. Again, let me know if that mic is working or if that mic ain't working, baby. Here we go. Cool. Here we go. Mic check 1 2 1 2. We here? Hey. There we go. Here we go. Listen, come on now. Come on now. No auto-tune, no T-Pain today. Did I tell you last time when I had the auto-tune T-Pain video in the beginning? I had played a Ludacris and T-Pain song, right? They straight pulled your boy. They was like, demonetized, stop. All right, look, let's get it, baby. So I see Afghanistan is in the building. I see the whole family stepping out today. I see who we got. Oh, let's get it. We got Oman. Oman always in the building. Shout out, major salute. Major salute. Atlanta is in the building. Let's get it. Let's get it, baby. Sweden is in the building. Sweden, where you been? Where you been? Trinidad, where you been? Where you been, baby? Alabama, oh, we here now. Let's get it. Michigan. Let's get it, baby. Did I charge? Oh, yeah. Look, I got the charger in the computer today. If we go Kenan Grace Radio, that's going to be scheduled, baby. Let's get it. Oh, I appreciate you for the love, family. Let's see what we talking about. Good morning, big dog. Mike is good. Dakota C, let's go. Let's get it. I see Tennessee in the building. I see Jersey. I see Detroit. Woo! I see Alabama. I see Arizona in the building. Michigan. Oh, yeah. Let us know where you from in the comments, baby. New York. We got Salt Lake City in the building. Austria. We got Queens in the building. Jersey. We got Italy in the building, baby. Okay. We got a lot of people overseas in the building. I love to see it. Love to see it. UK. Okay. We got, I see you, UK. We here today. New York in the building. We got Connecticut. We got Guyana in the building. Bay Area. We here, baby. DMV, Texas, Michigan. Yeah, let's go. We here in Florida. Let's get it, baby. But without further ado, this is not financial advice. I just hope you bought your oven mitts, baby, because it's about to get hot in the kitchen. Now, don't invest in companies you don't understand and don't believe in, because if they dip, woo, you not gonna buy the dip, baby. And then you're gonna sell low and be right back here crying to me and crying to the family, and we not having that. So if you can't handle the heat of these hot stocks, then stay out of the kitchen and consider investing in the index funds, baby. Now, let's talk about it. What's the first banger on the list? We got to check them out. The big dog, the beast. We got the Dominican Republic. We got Ethiopia. We got Colombia. Japan is in the building, baby. Let's get it. First banger on the list is the one, the only, the big dog, the beast. It's AMC Entertainment. Let's talk about it. Where is AMC right now? Currently, we're at $46 a share, $46.25, just about, baby. Bronx, I see you. I see you. We here. Love you, bro. Glad to be a part of the Discord. Discord family, let's get it, bro. Your energy always gives me hype. I got you, baby. Love from Ethiopia. Yo, shout out to Ethiopia, baby. Shout out to you. Shout out to Pennsylvania, Chicago in the building, too. Tibet, I see you. The family from all over. Indiana in the building. Come on now. Come on now. Somebody said put season. We got Wales in the building. Oh, yeah. Let's take a quick look, too. So, what was it? IRNT. Let's see. Okay. Oh, I thought I was going to see something a little more violent than that. But we'll come back to it. Let's go first to the big dog, the beast. Oh, you hear Kitty? I think she's going to be featured in this video. Let's see it, though. Let's go to the big dog, the beast, the banger, AMC. And let's see what's going on. Because now, what I really want you to understand is that when it falls asleep, this is when you want to get in any position that you have. Not necessarily after it's been running. Kenan, we back, baby. That's right. We back. Let's get it. We back. INDP is on the rocket. INDP. Let's check them out real quick. You want it to rocket. It's not on the rocket. Okay, I got you. Okay, yeah. So, AMC Entertainment. Ticker symbol AMC. Where we at? I gotta look for it again. AMC. Bam. Okay, currently, she's coming down. But what I want you to understand, baby, what I want you to understand is it's coming back down so it could pick us up. It's coming to pick us up. So let me get rid of this old trend line. We don't need anymore. All right, family. So usually I don't have these in the video because I don't want it to be too much clutter. But I'll show you what I have right now. So you see this? MA, moving average. Can you see this? No, you can't. All right, yeah. So look, you see these lines, this red line here, this yellow orange line, and this blue line? These are my moving averages, right? So let me get rid of that real quick for you so you can just see the candles. So now let's take it to school, baby. Let's take it to school. So can you look at Apple? Let's get it. Lucid is on a rocket. Yeah. Let's check them out too. So first of all, let's put a support line over for AMC. What do I mean by that? I mean a straight up horizontal line. That's what we're talking about. Keep it crazy simple, family. We're looking for a horizontal line, basically at 43. We got that horizontal line right there. We're going to make it a little thicker. Right? We're going to make it a little thicker. We're going to leave it right here in blue. We could get rid of this line up here. We don't need it anymore. Okay, now, so AMC currently, it is technically finding some support at this 46 level, but it looks as if it is going to break below it. So let's see what happens with that. Now, let's check out Apple, because it seems like Apple is the play, baby. It seems like Apple is the play. So Apple right now, 148. If I get into Apple, like I was telling the Discord family, we're going to get into a leap call on Apple. My guy Rod, yep, headphone, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. You ready for this? So let's talk about it. Let's go back to our moving averages, right? So it's like this. One of the most important ones for long-term investing is the 200 moving average. So let's take a look. So I'm going to go back up here. I'm going to put my indicators up. So now you can see all of these different numbers right here, right? So let's take our time today. Let's take our time and let's learn. Let's really learn. So here we go. First of all, I'm going to get rid of these lines and we're going to start from the top. So if you don't understand how to read the chart and how to do this, you know, it's time. Today we're going to use this as a learning, teachable moment. Now let's get it. So the first thing I want you to understand is the candles. Every single candle, they're red and they're green candles. If a candle is green, that means it opened up. It started off low and then it ended high. That's what makes it green. If it's red, that means it started high and then it ended low. That's it. But there's a little bit extra information in there because you have what's called the wick, right? The wick are these little lines that pop out of the candle. So notice, if this one is green, that means it started here on the bottom and then it ended up here. Every single one of these candles is represented by a time frame. You can click the time frames on the bottom of the screen. For example, if I click a different time frame, like the 1 minute chart, every single one of these candles tells me what happened in 1 minute. If I click the 5 minute chart, every single one of them tells me what happened in 5 minutes. If I click the day, every single one of these candles is representative of a day, right? I see the headphones in the chat. Let's get it, baby. I want to teach you how to fish. I want to teach you how to fish, but you got to know how to read the candles. So now I'm on the day chart. So that means every single one of these candles is its own individual day. Let's go back to something more reasonable, like the 5 minute chart, right? Notice the market is not open yet. So on my Webull app, I'm using a Webull desktop app. What you'll see right now is there's this darker space right here. And then there's this gray space. The gray space, this is the aftermarket and the pre-market when the market is basically closed. And then this black space right here, this is where the market is open, right? This is at 9:30. It's going to open up right here, right? All the way to market close. And then the next aftermarket hours over here. Okay, now that we got that out the way, let's look at what else the candle is going to tell us. So the wicks on the candles. This tells you how low it got in a particular time frame and how high it got in a particular time frame. So let's fully read this candle. And one thing that I really want you to be able to do is, especially if you have kids or younger cousins or nieces or nephews, I want you to teach them how to read a candle. At a minimum, teach them how to read a candle so that when they see something like this, they're not just blown away and they're like, oh, what's going on here, right? So now let's read this candle together. Technically, when you look at all of these numbers up here, it's being read for you when you look at these. So let's click this candle right here. And if you look at VOL, that's the volume. How many shares of this stock was traded? And notice we're on the 5 minute time frame. So every single one of these candles, this is 5 minutes. This is the next 5 minutes. This is the next 5 minutes. This one's red. So that means the beginning of the rectangle, it opened up here. But since it closed down here, then it was red because it opened higher and then it came down lower. Let's look at this one. The volume, if you look right here, it says 15,806. So that means in this 5-minute time frame, because every candle is 5 minutes, that means basically that there was 15,806 different shares being traded back and forth in this time frame. Now, you ask yourself, how high did this stock get, Apple get, in this time frame? So then if you look at H over here, it'll tell you it got up to, so you see right here, you got O for open, H for high, L for low, and then C is for close. So let's look. So it opened up all the way here at 148.73. How high did it get? It got all the way up to 148.74. How low did it get? It went all the way down, and this is right here. I'm reading this across. It went all the way down from here to 148.62. That's the bottom of this wick. And then where did it close? It closed at 148.70. Now, that's how you read the candles. Now let's go over to our next step, and let's go to our moving average. Let's go to our moving average. Ready? So our moving averages. MA, I got a 20. That's blue. 20 days, 20-day moving average. I got my 200. That's red. And then I have my 50, right? That's the orange one. Okay, Discord family in the building. I see you. I see you. So now let's go. On a play like Apple, like a Discord fam, we strong, we here. On a play like Apple, he said, knowledge, preach, brother, I got you, family. Just know I got you. On a play like Apple, the 200 moving average is going to be really, really important because it's not one of those crazy, like small dog volatile plays. It's more of a long term. It's going to really respect this line. So generally, the 200 moving average, take a look. When it's under the 200 moving average, this is when you can say, okay, somewhere along the way, I'm going to find a great point to establish a position. When it's under the red line, you're going to find a great entry down there. When it's over the line, eventually, it could start bouncing off of it, but you might find a great opportunity to get in under this one. That's what you want to be looking for. But this is going to be like a magnet. You can think of this 200 moving average kind of like a magnet. The stock price is always going to be drawn. You could think of it like this. It's not exactly like this, but it's always going to be drawn towards it. So now look at this right here. It's added. We want it to bounce off of it and go up, right? But it's always going to be drawn towards it. So let's go back into the past. Look at this. So you see how they were disconnected from each other, right? So Apple dropped. And the average, the 200 moving average was up here. But notice, it's going to come back up towards it, right? Now, there are some signs that you can look for when you have multiple different moving averages going with each other. Like, for example, I got my blue one. This is the 20 moving average. This one's going to move much quicker than the others. And then my 50, right? This is the middle ground one. So now, I want you to see this. Sometimes they cross over each other. So, look at this. You see that the 20 moving average, which is this blue line, it crossed over this red line, the 200 moving average. And this can be seen as an indicator that the stock is going to drop. And remember, with all indicators, they work when they need to work. They don't work all of the time. So Cookie Monster and Antonio Cruz, let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Shout out to y'all. Flagrant Elbow, my guy. Let's get it. Let's get it. So we got 1 minute until the market is open. Discord family, I'm hearing that Lucid Motors is on fire. Let's see it. Hey, and we in a Lucid Motors call. So let's get money, baby. Let's get money, Discord fam. Let's get money, baby. Let's get it. Shout out to Lucid. Let's see. However, though, remember, I want you to always understand, Lucid is always going to be a high risk, high reward play. I'm going to tell you 100 times until when? Until they show you that they delivering cars and they get as far as they can get and they're making money with those cars. That's important. That's so important. So market is open. Whoa, let's go. So Discord family, if you're still in the Lucid call option with us, let's see what it's doing. Let's see what it's doing. Okay, doing pretty well. Doing pretty well. Love to see it. Let's see if Lucid could keep on going, and let's see if they have any Discord fam in the house. Melinda, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's see if they have any news that's making it go up. Let's go. He said, preach, sense, wax on, wax off. Let's go, baby. So Lucid Air is officially EPA rated. Okay, so Lucid Air says officially EPA rated at 520 miles. Oh yeah, if you in the Discord, we talked about this last night. I posted it and I tagged everybody in it. And it says this: Lucid Group is setting new standards with the advanced and luxury EVs. No feelings, my guy. Let's go, baby. Let's go, family. I appreciate you for that. Let's get it. Good morning. And now, today, they announced that the Dream Edition received an official EPA rating. So they got an official rating, according to them, that basically it can go 520 miles. Now, why is this important? Let's go. Let me actually go to that Discord post from yesterday because it's a tweet. They tweeted it. And I want to give a shout out to my guy. Hold up. Let me go. If you try to get into the Discord too, by the way, I see a few people. Give me a second. Shout out to my guy, Rel, on the Discord for sending this to me, sending this my way so we can share it with the family. Much love, big dog. Appreciate you for that. Here we go. Let me share this with the family right now. They posted this at 1:45, September 15th. And this is Lucid. And one thing that we love to see about this is that, again, they keep telling us that they can do all of these things, but they have yet to show us. But since they're standing on their square, family, they're standing on their square, and they're saying, no, we doing it, right? They said, this is Lucid Motors, right? And it says, Lucid Motors, congrats to Lucid Motors. So then, I guess this is their official site or whatever, but this is a Twitter page, I assume, that follows them closely. And they told us yesterday that this is massive. Congrats to the Lucid Motors team for ensuring the top technology and innovation. 520 miles on a single charge, more than 100 times or 100 miles further than the closest competitor. You know who the closest competitor is, because you know they can't exist without mentioning the closest competitor. They got to say that. They always got to bring it up. But look, shout out to them for that. So then, according to Benzinga, this is official. According to Benzinga, this is official. Benzinga posted this today at 8:34, but we knew this from yesterday. Okay, cool. So now, let's see. Yep, delivering at least 100 miles in additional range over its closest competitor. Closest competitor. You take a guess at who that is. Who is their closest competitor? He said, about to get off work. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. But yeah, we love to see it. We love to see it. Let's see where they're going to go. Let's see where they're going to go. Let's go. Let's go. He said, hopefully it's not hype. Right. Hopefully that they really deliver the car. But they say they got an official rating. But if they delivering these cars, family, and they really, it seems like they're not bluffing. It seems like they may be able to get as far as they say they can. And you know what? If so, we're going to be on for a ride. We're going to be on for a ride. I'm hearing that Palantir is pumping up too. This is why I didn't jump in a put yet. Because I realized that the floor was getting higher. The floor is getting higher and higher. He said, bro, it's big thanks for teaching you. I got you, family. I got you. That's what we here for. Short sellers are killing BNGO, and they're such a good company, the market, and I appreciate you, Evan, for the love. So, again, let's take a look. BNGO, let's go back over there. But yeah, Palantir, again, I'm going to tell you time and time again, it's a long-term banger. It's a long-term banger. So the floors is getting higher and higher and higher. So you really want this to peak and start to show weakness before you do anything. All right, yeah, let's go to BNGO, because if they're getting shorted to death, then that's excellent for us to get into a call. Let them come down. He said, on this truck, watching. Let's go. I appreciate y'all, family. Look, we get on here every day. We trying to build that generational wealth. Oven mitt, discourse, soldier, generational wealth. Let's get it. Be more in the building. Gratitude. That's right. That's what it's about. Let's look at what the SPY is doing, because we're looking, now that we got cash, to potentially re-enter on a SPY play. So notice, look, it's bouncing off of that 200 moving average. It's bouncing off of it. We like to see that. And yesterday, we officially broke out of our long-term downtrend, right? That long-term downtrend that we were in, it's out of it, but just slightly out of it. CFMS. CFMS. is on fire. All right, let's check it out. So it's up 2% on the day. Okay, yeah, this one's moving. I'm not up on this one though. Yo, AQST. Let's check them out. AQST. So many people have been talking about this one. If you could pick this up again, preferably see if it's holding at the $4 range, and if not, it might break down before any squeeze or anything like that. Okay, yeah. So my guy Chris said he got 100 BNGO. So let's look at Apple again. Let's look at Apple again, right? So Apple right now just dropped. Apple just dropped. So if Apple is dropping, it's also likely that the SPY is dropping. Yep, Apple and the SPY are dropping, but they're coming back to that 200, the 200 moving average. CTRM is on fire. CTRM is going towards $3. Shout out to CTRM. Again, great company, but Wall Street hates it. Wall Street hates it, family. Hates it. But it's a good company. It's one of the few penny stocks that was basically just, you already know what time it is. He said, my man working and watching. Oh, yeah, they were already profitable. Love to see it. So, LCID puts. I want you to understand this. You could make money on a Lucid put. Yes. Because I tell you, again, if they say, oh, you know what? The car can go far, but we can't deliver. We got to wait till next year or so. Listen, they've never delivered a car. So them putting back a delivery, that'll make a put option print. However, if they start to deliver, then you could be in a bad space. You could be in a bad space. Let's see if the big dog, the beast, BBIG. Okay, BBIG is finding support. Again, where? At 760. It keeps finding support there. It keeps finding support there. If you in a Discord family with me, we sold out of some call options, so now we locked and loaded on cash, literally looking for a play. Palantir is running the wrong way? No, Palantir is a long-term banger. Whenever you do a put or anything like this, when you get up on a little wave down, jump out. Jump out. The floor has become higher. The floor is about 26 right now, but after this gap up like this, let's see where it goes. Any info on support? Okay, yeah. So let's talk about support.com. Remember, when you get into a support.com, a BBIG, a KPLT, any of these short squeeze plays, you got to remember that these are not like AMC. There are no community gathered around these plays that are all holding lockstep, basically saying, yo, we're going to hold on to this together. There's nobody doing that. So this is a get in, get up, and get out kind of thing. You got to swing trade these, and don't be afraid to get a put option on them too. Swing them up, swing them down. Swing them up, swing them down. However, if you are in GREE, what I want you to do is see if you can now access options on Robinhood or anything like that, because I know yesterday you could not. Check out Pinterest. Is Pinterest waking up a bit? No. Pinterest is still dropping a bit, but we jumped out of the call. We jumped out of the call and we just sitting on cash right now. We just sitting on cash right now. Apple short-term calls. Apple short-term calls. It depends on what you mean by short-term. Because around Christmas, Apple just might wake up, baby. For like seriously wake up. That's why they try to drop these iPhones so all the way over here. Are you still in Nio calls? Yes. Yes. Nio calls for January and Nio calls for March. Robinhood is still not allowing options on GREE. Somebody less said, Kenan, I lost so much money on AMC because you kept making videos. If I ever see you, it's on site. It's on site. First of all, family, listen, don't play with me. Second of all, I don't know you. Third of all, you gotta take some responsibility, big dog, and making threats online. Come on, you acting crazy. You acting crazy. But in more serious note, I want you to understand this, because you sound like you hurt. So I'm gonna use this as a teaching moment. The teaching moment is this. if you are diamond handing AMC with us, we are not even near the squeeze yet, baby. We are not even near the squeeze yet. If you have been diamond handing AMC options, come on now, you're not being responsible. So come on now, you know I'm not having that. You know I'm not having that. Also, how are you losing money on AMC when we got in it at 12? So you giving me all kind of weirdo vibes right now. Just know that. Just know that. Come on now. We've been talking about this at 20. We've been talking about this at 12. We've been talking about this at 30. And we are in the 46s, family. What are you talking about? Come on now. We ain't having that. But for real, and more serious notes, if talking online, talking crazy, you gonna get yourself in trouble. You can get yourself in trouble. You putting stuff in writing that don't need to be in writing, baby. Right. You said we got your back. And listen, this is no disrespect on you, but you gotta be responsible, baby. You gotta be responsible. Yeah, get some index funds. I always tell you, get some index funds. Let's get it. My guy said this. Shout out to you for the love. He said, don't mind that dude. He couldn't stand the heat. He bought his oven mitts on a $1 store. Right? Come on, man. Stop playing with us. Pop, pop, pop. Stop playing with us, baby. Stop playing with us. Come on now. Let's get it. Let's get it. And again, one thing I also want y'all to know, everybody who's in the chat, because I see we having fun in here, right? If you blame anybody else for a financial decision that you made, whether it be me, whether it be Trey, whether it be, I don't even know, Matt Kohrs, whether it be Uncle Larry, Stock Mo, anybody, right? Anybody. Come on now. Who is the one that's really executing the trade? Is it us or is it you? All we can do is give you the best information possible. And especially, I can only speak for myself here. I always come with the receipts. I got them on the side. And I tell you, this is what I want to buy. This is where I want to buy it. This is why I want to buy it. This is how long I'm going to hold it, right? You see what time it is, especially if you're in a Discord. Come on now. Come on now. But again, and then those who really been rocking with me, you know I told you time and time again. And the funny thing about stuff like this is with AMC in particular, I get on here every single day. And hey, shout out to the family growing, baby. But everything that I want to say is this. I'm going to tell you when I'm getting in, at what prices I'm looking for. And sometimes you just got to pay tuition, baby. Sometimes you just got to pay the tuition and say, yo, I learned from this mistake. You see what I'm saying? That's how we getting it. And again, AMC, I'm just curious. How did you lose money on AMC? Like, I understand how you could think you lost money on AMC. Like, for example, if you went all in at 70, right? But let's run the numbers. This is, and especially if you've been following me, AMC at one point was $70 a share, right? Let's say you bought 5. You had $350 and you bought 5 at 70. Boom. Now, AMC dropped by half, right? AMC come all the way down to 35. Whoa, I just lost $175. Whoa. Okay, let me ask you a question. And the question is, are you diamond handing this or not? Are you an ape or are you trying to swing trade this? Because if you playing a whole different game from a whole different set of rules, then it's just straight tears in the chat for you. It's just straight tears in the chat because we can't help you if you're not playing by the same rules as us. So if you bought in at 70 and you bought 5 and now it dropped in half of the price and you got 175, we still waiting. We still waiting for the short squeeze. But you know what? You didn't go all in at once. Why? Because you've been rocking with us and you only spent that 350. But you still got another 350, right? Because you prepared, not surprised. So then what do? You go buy 5 more. You go buy 5 more for 35 each, right? So 35 times 5. You buy 5 more. You are now averaging down. So that's what I'm talking about. So then your total, right? You got the 350, and then we're gonna add that to the 175, right? And then we're gonna divide that by 10. No, this didn't work out yet. Let's do it slow. I guess this thing don't know PEMDAS. And then we're gonna divide that by your 10 shares. You just average down from 70 all the way to 52, baby. You just average down. You don't go all in at once. But if you've been rocking with us, you know that it's not bop, bop. It's bop, bop, bop. So that means we got a whole nother 350, baby. And we still ready right now. We still ready right at this very moment to average down even more. So you know what? Let's say you bought 5 more. 5 more. So now you got 350 again, right? And now you got 15 shares. So we're going to divide this by the 15 shares. Boom, your average is 46. Your average is 46. And you only did bop, bop, right? That's 2. Bop, bop, 30, 350, 350. So then at this point, your average is $46. And you only on your 2 strikes, baby. You only on your 2 strikes, not even on your 3rd. And this is if you bought at the very peak and then bought in right now. Do you see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? So if you actually listen, then you'll be okay. You actually listen, you will be okay. Your average would have been 46. You might have been down 60 cents at this very moment, even if you bought in at the absolute peak at the top. And if you following what I'm saying right now, you know we do bop, bop, bop. That means you still got another 350 that you didn't even spend yet. You just got it in cash. All you just got this 350 in cash, and you're waiting for another potential buying opportunity. But other than that, you got bop, 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 sitting on it, sitting on some cash, baby. So then what are you talking about? Come on now, let's learn together. I try to come on here every day and teach you. You see what I'm saying? Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. So that I hate that. People, come on now, I care way too much about how to try to teach people how to get it going for somebody to even try to come and talk at me sideways. That's crazy. That's absolutely crazy. Come on now. Let's get it. So now, AMC, he said February, you got in at 1380. Let's get it. That's right. We in class, baby. We in class right now. That's how we getting down. He said, Kenan, you make me so much money. When I see you, it's on site with a hug. That's love. That's love. Appreciate you. He said, Kenan need to be protected. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Let's get it, baby. That's love. That's love. And Gio's dad, I appreciate you for the love too, family. Let's get it. Let's get it. But you know what? That was just a teachable moment. And I'm never going to try to disrespect you. I'm always going to try to help you the best that I possibly can. That's all we're going to do. We're going to learn together. We're going to move together. And you know what? Let's hug it out. Let's clap it up, baby. Clap it up. Hold up. Where my thing at? Clap it up. Let's get it. Let's get it. So now let's go back and let's see AMC. What's going on with it? Oh, she's waking up. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. She's waking up. We're at 146. 147. Whoa, let's get it. And Apple is coming back down. Apple is coming back down to pick us up. It's coming back down. We love to see it. Coming back down. The SPY is coming down too. But again, if Apple is coming down, it's likely that the SPY is coming down too. So now, family, we're looking for a re-entrance on the SPY call. We're looking for a re-entrance on the SPY call. BNGO is going through the floor. If that's the case, we want to see it. Let's get it. Oh, yeah. All right, look. So BNGO is getting to the low $5 range. This is getting into call option like range. He said, stop playing with my boy. Let's talk about it, baby. You know it. Family. So, BNGO is getting into call option range. It broke under a support. So, yeah, it's definitely getting into call option range. And this one will be a much, he said, love this channel and the family. That's right, baby. That's real. Right. Somebody said this is a troll. Dude ain't real. Listen, let me tell you something too. I tell you one thing. Talking about it's on site. I ain't gangster. I ain't got to get no street cred or nothing like that. But I'm always going to protect myself. I want you to understand. I want you to understand that. So let's talk about it for real. For real. You see me in person. Don't get yourself in trouble. You know what I'm saying? Boomy Gorilla. Bop, bop, bop. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And this is not a threat. It's all love with me. You see me, I'm gonna shake your hand. I probably, you know what's funny? I get upset, but if I take a step back and I see that you hurting, I might just give you a hug. I might, you know what I'm saying? But I might chill. I might say, you know what? I see that you hurting right now. Come here, bring it in. Bring it in. Cause sometimes we got a lot of hostility towards each other that it don't even need to be that way. But I'm fun, but I'm not the one. I'm prepared, not surprised. Yes, that's right. That's right. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Yo, all right, let's go. Let's focus. Let's refocus. Come on now. Here we go. Come on now. Let's see. Yo, family, Discord fam. If we get into a call on BNGO, this is gonna be a really good price because how it's coming down like this on a $5 stock that's consistently been bouncing back up to $6 again and again and again. Come on now. Yeah. All right, cool. So Palantir 27. I wouldn't do a put on Palantir right now. I wouldn't. It's too strong. It's pushing. Because remember, if a company is pumping up and the company is actually great, you got to think, what's going to happen here? Remember, the floor is not going to be like 23 unless the market really pulls back again. So Palantir is a great stock to load up on long term, but don't load up here. Don't load up here. Now, BNGO, let's see if they have any news yet, because I know they have their, let's see. They announced a study, and they find genome mapping sequence provides comprehensive genome analysis for lung cancer samples, and it enables the discovery of new biomarkers. He said, got your back with his flagrant elbow. That's right. You come here, bop, hit people with it, baby. Let's go. He said, yo, I just laughed for 5 minutes. Yo, I'm hearing life is running. Is it? Let's go. Back over to 10. Yo, we just came back down to 7, and now we back over to 10. Love to see it. Love to see it. Love to see it. Remember, this one could be a sleeper, baby. This one could be a sleeper. He said, I paid off my truck following your play. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Shout out to Kirk. Shout out to Kirk. So Lucid, let's see what Lucid is doing. So Lucid ran up to 2160, and now it's back down to 2070, but it's still overall up on a day by 4%. IRNT, rocket. Rocket. It was a rocket yesterday. It really rocketed in the pre-market, and now it's a rocket still today. Still today. SPY, she coming down. But guess why she's coming down, baby? So she could pick us up. So she could pick us up. That's what I'm talking about. Laughing to the bank. Right. GRE is on the run. All right, family, look. Remember, don't forget, this is a swing. If you win this one, it's always been a swing. If you get a chance to get in, get up, get out, take your blessings, baby. Take your blessings. That don't mean you got to get all the way out. It means that you got to take your profit so you can work your way out. All right, cool. So now we see that this is at 513, right? So Discord fam, just know I'm on the lookout for a BNGO call option. A BNGO call option. So the last time it was this low, it came to 509, and then it ran up to about 609. 509 to 609. Before that, we were at 430. When was this? This was in May. We hit 430, but May, this was a crazy pullback. Crazy pullback. Trudy, I appreciate you for that. Only 8 million volume on AMC this morning. T-Bone, make sure that I come back to this. Well, let's go check it out. In the first 30 minutes of AMC trading, this 30-minute interval, yesterday it was 20 million. I left it up for you so you can see it. But I'm going to reload and let's see what we got today. Whoa. Yo, 8 million? That's really crazy. In the first 30 minutes of trading for AMC, family, this is less than half of yesterday. That's crazy. That's really crazy. Yo. I'm hearing BBIG is breaking out. BBIG. Okay, this is breaking back into the 8s. If you're looking to pick this up, take a look at this. And the $7 has been a support, preferably $7.60 before a first strike. So the SPY is cooling down. People ask me about the SPY now. The SPY is cooling down from that heat from yesterday. But again, technically, from a technical standpoint, like literally, it broke out of that big downtrend that it was in, right? That overall big downtrend. But notice it's breaking right back into that downtrend. But this is a lot of selling really quickly. And now it's getting under the 200 moving average. So it's getting back into a point where we can say, okay, we're getting close to a time where we could load back up. Nio is tanking. Nio. Nio. Okay, yes it is. Yes it is. So now with Nio tanking like this, I'm willing to get into a more short-term call option on Nio. With Nio tanking like this, I want to see Nio come down and see if it can touch the. All right, we're already in the 36 range. We're in the 36 range. We might be able to ride this right back up to about 38. Okay, so Discord fam. I'm looking for a call option right now on Nio. And again, on the day, it might be red because we riding the negative momentum down. So on the day, it might be red, but this one shouldn't take too long to turn around unless the market is really, really pulling back. But high risk, high reward. He said, I got risky and did a third strike on Palantir. Fingers crossed. Are you on a put on Palantir? So again, remember, you can always jump out and jump back in if you need to. But right now, you know what time it is, baby. You know what? Let's ask a question. Let's go. Let's ask a question, baby. Here we go. This is an opinion. What should you pick up today? Let's see. You're going to see it in like a second. Here we go. Let me add one more. Let me make sure All right. So let's see. Here we go. So, I'm going to ask you a question. What is the best kind of play, in your opinion, to pick up today? Is it A, call options? Is it B, put options? Is it C, stocks? Or is it D, all of the above? Because in your opinion, it depends on the play. What is your opinion? Oh, we're getting a real standard mix. We're getting a real standard mix. Call options are bets the stock is gonna go up. Puts, bets they going down. Stocks just mean load a boat on some plays that you like and love. And then all of the above means you see some puts, you see some stocks, and you see some calls that you want. All right, cool. So I'm going gonna leave y'all to it. I'm gonna give y'all a little more time. I'm gonna leave y'all to it. I'm surprised that stocks is getting killed like this. I'm surprised. I'm gonna just keep it real. Stocks is getting killed. We got a new member. The family's growing, baby. Let's go. So, in my honest opinion, I'm gonna stop the poll right now. In my honest opinion, I say you can't go wrong with D, all of the above. However, it's because I see some puts that I will run. I see some calls that I would run. I see some stocks that I would load up on. But I kind of do agree, though, that there's more opportunity right now in certain options. But that's what I'm looking at right this moment. Like, for example, I want Nio to keep showing this weakness and get into that 36 range. So me and the Discord fam, if you try to get into the Discord again, just know, Discord fam, we're going to basically, I'm going to help you get in if you need me. But for now, just know, I'm looking for a shorter term call on Nio. Not short term, but shorter term. Shorter term. Let's see. Let's see, baby. Let's see. So what we got? Today is the 16th. Charge point is killing you. Are you in a call for charge point? We didn't get in one yet. We've been waiting. We've been waiting for it to come pick us up. We've been waiting for charge point to come and pick us up. We wanted to get charge point. We really want it in the teens. Spy's running in the tube. It deviated out on the way down. Let's check them again. Yep, look at the Spy. It's back on that downtrend. So, family, we got out of the call yesterday. So now we just loaded up on cash and we just waiting to get into a good play. Options to make money to get out by tomorrow is what I'm seeing people say. Okay, so let's check. Let's see what we got. So look, the Spy is coming down. I'm looking for a Nio call right at this very moment. Nio keeps turning back around, come back into the 36s for us. For now, Nio doesn't want to come into the 36s, so we're just gonna leave her alone for a little bit. We're not picking it up while it's boiling hot like that. You could use oven mitts, but if it's boiling, come on now, that don't work. That don't go together. Okay, so now let's see. We want to see the Spy come back and try to test this 443. That's what we're looking for. We wanted to test the 443. But again, those of you that I told you about the averages, you see how I got these averages on my screen now? These lines, I have the red line, which is my 200 moving average, right? 200 day. Think of this like a strong magnet that's always long term. It's going to kind of pull the stock back up towards it, especially particularly on something like the Spy. So the Spy is going to come back up eventually. He said, I'm sure people sold Nio to buy Lucid. Could be the case. BBIG is running. Come on now. BBIG is a banger. I know the Discord fam happy about that. A lot of people been sitting in BBIG just chilling. And it's been consolidating. If you look at this for the last, 2 days or so? 3 days? It's been dropping for days, and now it's consolidating. So, again, family, so BBIG, if you win this play, the next resistance, we are breaking through it, kind of, but it's getting rejected. So right here, I'm going to put this right here. Notice, from yesterday's high, it slightly broke through it, but it got rejected. So now it's back down. But again, it broke through it slightly. That's a really, really good indication. I want you to really understand that. Can you do Robinhood options today so I can see in the Discord? Dan, so Robinhood and Webull, they're like, Robinhood is actually simpler to use than Webull, but Webull has more things to do. Webull has more. So Lucid is going back down. Again, remember, high risk, high reward. AMC is running. We love to see it. We love to see it. So you asking me, though, to buy calls or whatever on Robinhood, the app. I see what you're saying. All right, cool. So any is down. It gapped up yesterday from 5. Let's go back up to the big dog, the beast, the banger, AMC 47. Okay, cool. We love to see it. We love to see it. Again, though, 43 is a strong support. Best stock to put $1,000 on, it depends on your goals. So if you're trying to just like hold on to the stock for a whole year and just kind of chill and not have to worry about it, like set it and forget it, what I want you to understand is Apple is a beast, a banger, or even SPY. Okay, yeah, Pinterest. We got divorced from Pinterest yesterday. We was in a call, but your boy had to take the ring off. Whoop, go get it pawned, get the money back from it. Hey. But just know, Pinterest, once you start acting better, you get your life together, we might come back and talk to you again. We'll see. But for now, with you doing bad, I hate to say it, but it ain't working out for us right now, you see? And I hate to have this conversation with you, Pinterest, because I know what you're capable of, but I just feel like you're not living to your full potential. So then until then, I don't think you deserve the family right now. You got to work on you, okay? I know it hurts to say it, but some people love you for who you are, but I love you not to leave you the way that you are, Pinterest. I love you enough that I want you to be better. You see what I'm saying? But for now, we're going to leave you. Come on now. I'll be back once I hear that you're doing better. Until then, I'm leaving you alone. I gave you enough time. You hear me? I caught you when you was at your low. We caught you at the low, Pinterest. And then what do? When you drop it to the flow, you took it low, you showed me there was a basement. Come on now. Any calls or any puts, we on the lookout. We on the lookout, baby. We on the lookout as we speak. We on the lookout as we speak. Come on now. Stop playing with me, Pinterest. We'll come back. We'll come back to you later. We'll see. Oh, look at this, family. Got a new one down the way. Hey. 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 Hey, drop it low. Greenwich is running. Again, family, if you are in the SPRT, you should see your shares convert. You should see your shares convert to this. Okay, Nio is back to the 36s. So it's showing weakness. So what we want to do is let's go to our 1 minute chart and let's put Nio in a downtrending channel. Let's put Nio in a downtrending channel. And then let's see. AMC is doing well. That's what I'm talking about. Right. Somebody hit the like button. Appreciate you for that. All right, cool. Let's look it up. Let's put this in our downtrending channel. Here we go. So we have our descending line of resistance. And now we're going to put in our other line. our descending line of support. So Nio is technically in a downtrend. We are looking to get in a short-term call on it. A short-term call. Let's see. Here we go. Let's see. So today's the 16th. Come on, Nio. Stay down there for us for a second. Okay, okay. Let's back out and let's see where is the support. Where's the support for Nio? Is it under it? I don't think it is. So the next support line is 36.57. 36.57. If we get into a call, we want to catch it kind of down here, not necessarily up here, unless it breaks out. Unless it breaks out of here. There's still no options on GREE for Robinhood. So family, what I want you to do, you should see in the description, you should see Webull. Get Webull. Get Webull. I always tell you, 100 times out of 100 times, have multiple of these different investing apps. So then when one thing is doing something else, you can say, all right, this one works for this one doesn't. A little over 1,100 in dry powder, trying to find something this morning. That's what I'm talking about. Look, when the markets is down, he who has cash is king. She who has cash is queen. Come on, Nio. Keep coming down for us, baby. Also, the SPY. Come on, SPY. Look at the SPY. Consistent downtrend. Yesterday, we jumped out of some calls. So now we just sitting on some cash. We jumped out of some calls, and we're just sitting on the cash. So honestly, this downtrend is so sharp that I imagine it won't last. Remember I told you, Y equals MX plus B, our slope is crazy. This is going to change. Any thoughts on Amazon? It's been everywhere. Amazon is one of those plays that you load up on long term. And I want to say this, everybody. You got to get a piece of the pie. You got to get a piece of the pie. So, Discord family, let me see. If you don't have any Amazon at all, you have to. And this is a generational wealth thing I'm about to talk about right now. A play like Amazon, and this is not financial advice, but this is my honest opinion. A play like Amazon. You use Amazon. Your neighbors use Amazon. Your kids are probably going to use Amazon if they are not already. You got to get into something like that, in my opinion, not financial advice, for the generational wealth thing. This is something that we believe in. You believe in a company. Your grandma believes in a company. Your kids believe in a company. Your neighbors, the businesses that you go to, they believe in a company. So then, for generational wealth, you want to have a piece of the pie. Even if it's not like a whole share and it's just a fractional share, you might want to put $100 in that. You see what I'm saying? You put $100 in Amazon and then never touch it again. If you can get a whole share, do that. But you want to get a piece of that pie because you believe in the company, whether or not you know you believe in it. If you go order something online right now, what are you going to do it on? 9 times out of 10, or probably more realistically, in terms of market share, I think they have like 50 or 60%. So let's call it 60% of the time. Everybody, especially in the United States, in London, in UK, in Africa. Look, come on now. They're using a lot of the time, 60% of the time, Amazon. Amazon. So charge point, when to jump back in. So the stock, preferably, you could get it now. We looking for the teens on charge point. We really want to get charge point in the teens. However, I'm going to keep it real. This is us being a little greedy, trying to get it in the teens. Being a little greedy. Because you could get, if you get in the stock family, getting it at 20 and 2050, it's the same. It's the same. If you get in the stock. Alpha Sal said, after the squeeze, I'm buying Amazon stocks for your daughter. That's love. That's love. That's love. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. The family. So I'm fun, but I'm not the one. Come on now. Come on now. Stock market crash. Listen, people Whenever the SPY is dropping, people think the stock market is crashed and done forever. They always think that. They always think that. Not Africa, so I don't know if they can expand out there. I wouldn't be surprised if one day they do. I know that Africa, what does Africa use in particular? I know there's another similar thing, like for example, how China has Alibaba. There's something else that Africa can use. So SPY's in the 444. Shout out to Jay-Z. Here we go. So yeah, right now, and again, it should bounce from here. It should bounce from here. But not like all the way back and recover, but bounce like basically short term. So here we go. I'm willing to get into a SPY call. We were looking for a better entry, right? We were looking for a better entry. However, notice this. Remember we were talking about the moving averages? Oh, Jamia. Okay. Good looking out, family. Good looking out, family. Yeah, y'all on it. Y'all on it. The moving averages. Notice this. The 200 moving average. We're on the SPY right now. You see this blue line and the red line? The red line is the 50-day moving average, and the blue line is the 20 moving average. These two both crossed over to 200. This is like the death cross, meaning that it's very likely that this thing is going to crash. And look, just like I told you, it's bouncing. You see that? It's bouncing. It's not going to like bounce all the way back into recovery. However, it's respecting our downtrending channel. Now, family, if you're trying to set up your charts, because a lot of people ask me, Kenan, how are you doing this? How are you doing this? If you know I'm going to be on live and I'm going to be doing this, ask me then. So you set it up yourself and then ask me then. Because then I can help you in real time. Like the channel that I have right here. How do I know that not AMC? You know, I got AMC on the brain. I'm an ape. Let's go, baby. How do I know that it was going to bounce? Because it's respecting our channel. It's respecting our channel. There are other people who are also watching the charts and they see exactly what we see. Jamaica in the building. Let's get it. Let's get it. Ready for class. You know I got you. You know I got you. So, yep, look at this. Still in our downtrending channel. Will it break out? Unlikely, but it can happen. You made 145 on a Microsoft put today already. Let's get money, baby. Come on now. Let's see it. So, yeah, I'm looking for, QQQ, T-Bone. Let's get it, baby. Let's go. So, let's look at Nio. See if she came back down for us yet. Yeah, she did. Nio is respecting our channel, too. It's respecting our downtrending channel. If you can't really see what I'm talking about, I'll make the lines a little bit thicker so you can see it. Nio is in this downtrending channel. Now, we were waiting for the SPY. It kind of gave us a little bit of a false breakout yesterday, but we just stayed on the sidelines. We just stayed on the sidelines and didn't do anything. Remember, it was in this downtrending channel long term on the 30-minute chart and maybe even on the hour chart. Yeah, on the hour chart is even better. Downtrending channel long term. And then it broke out of the channel. But now it's right back in. It's right back in that channel. And it's on a pretty steep decline. A pretty steep decline. Yeah, VWAP is nice too. I had that one. But to be honest with you, these are something just to look at, but then you could just, like, obviously you could use them, right? But I don't like to look at them on the chart for too long. It's too much clutter. But when you want to look at it yourself and like say, okay, what's going on with the moving averages, you look at them, but then you could tuck them away, and then just watch your trends. Kitty on the phone with the short sellers. Yo, Palantir is going crazy. PLTR. And again, I'm in the play. I'm in the play, not in terms of a short position. We just had the stock for a long time. Palantir, just a banger of a company. Straight up banger of a company. Just always remember that. Okay, cool. So now, however, the floor is probably higher now. So you could probably ride a short to 27 or so. But see what it's doing. Let this one run. See what it's doing. BBIG is really running, but it got rejected at 875. Pinterest. Still on a downtrend. Still on a downtrend. But yeah, we broke up with Pinterest for a little bit. Well, we divorced Pinterest. Maybe one day we'll come back. So BNGO is what we're looking for, though, in terms of getting in a call. For now, she on a downtrend. Apple too. Apple calls. Apple calls. SPY calls. SPY calls. The SPY has been coming down like crazy. Look at that. Look at that. Right back in our downtrend. Showing major weakness. But again, never bet too long against it. Never bet too long against the SPY. So BNGO though, let's keep our eye on her. Let's look up BNGO right now and see what kind of options we could potentially get into. And I'll send that to the Discord fam. If you're trying to get into the Discord, I put the link in the top. BNGO. Let's look them up. BNGO. All right, let's get it. Options. Call options. Let's see. See what the open interest is on this one. 84, not good. Break even on that. Decent. 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 5. Yeah, this makes sense. This makes sense. All right, Discord fam. I'm about to pull my first strike on a BNGO call. Discord fam, I'm going to send you a BNGO call. BNGO. First strike, meaning if I got $300, how would I play this? First strike, bow. Second strike, bow. Third strike, bow. 3 strikes. I'm on the puts. I don't mean to be on the puts. I mean to be on the calls. Let's get it. I'm trying to get in on a good price on this. Here we go. Here we go. Let's bring our averages back up, our moving averages back up. So our 20 just crossed our 50. All right. Let's see, family. Let's see. He said AMC keeps chipping the glass ceiling. Let's get it. A tutorial on how to create the channels. Yeah, I'll show you in a second. Don't let me forget, Blake. Don't let me forget. Thoughts on Apple? If you're just trying to get the stock, banger. Especially if you plan on holding it for as long as you hold it. Don't trade Apple the stock. Buy Apple the stock. Trade the options if you know what you're doing. But the stock, just buy it and hold it. I've been talking to many people, and they always say this. They say, you know what? I really should have just bought more Apple. People, I'm telling you, I really should have. That's what they tell you. I should have just bought more. You will always hear something like that. I should have just bought more Apple. Okay, so now let's see. I'm putting in Discord family. I'm putting in an order for a BNGO call. I'm going to send that to you. I want it to get executed. If we do, we do. You know how it is. If I see a price I like, I'm sending that to you right now. I'll let you know if I get an execution. Let's zoom out a little bit. Notice we're on a downtrend, and the RSI is ramping up to, on the 1-minute chart, to 51. Discord fam, here we go. Check your mentions. And again, since we got out of some other calls, we loaded up with cash. Here we go. Now this thing want to run? No, I'm not getting it yet. I'm putting in an order though, so it could come back down and pick me up. But you'll be able to see it. You know, I'm always gonna keep it real with you, so I'm sending you it right now. And now she's running, but she's trying to cool off and gonna pick us up. Again, you don't want to get into a call when it's already high. You don't want to get into a call when it's already high, unless you're riding the momentum. If I see a price I like, I strike, and if I don't, I pass on the play. So yeah, now she's running up. I don't want her up there. I want her down here. If she don't get there, then guess what? Boom, another play. Let's check out the SPY and let's check out Nio. So Pins is trying to come back up to 54. Let's see. Apple, 147 still. Let's see. SPY, where's she at? 145. 145. Oh, okay. So she broke that steep downtrend. Oh, nope, not exactly. Trying. She trying. Trying to break that steep decline. I am looking for another re-entry on a SPY call. Now that I got the cash, I'm looking for a re-entry low. I don't necessarily want to buy it up here. I want to buy it closer to 443. BBIG is testing this price again. Oh, are we gonna get a breakout? Hey, look. Oh, let's go. Family, we breaking out. We breaking out. Oh yeah, she running. So let's check her out. BBIG. I know. Come on now, BBIG. Let's see. Yeah, she's breaking out. This, again, if you get into an option, get in, get up, get out on this one. Don't get married. Don't get married. You can always jump back in. So let's see. Tomorrow, today's the 16th. Tomorrow's the 17th. It's crazy high risk, high reward. Let's see. Open interest is through the roof. Here we go. All right, family. I'm in a BBIG call. I went very light on it, though. I'm going to send this to the Discord. Here we go. He said, you clean as a whistle, baby. Woo, let's get it. AMC, do you believe short squeeze coming sooner? Listen, let's get it. Listen, let me tell you, Kay, appreciate you for that. Appreciate you for the love. Appreciate you for the love. So let's see. TG. Oh, sooner than expected. So let me ask you this. Do you got the diamond hands? Do you got the diamond hands? If so, guess what? We got this. We're going to be all right. If so, we're going to be all right. We're going to be all right. So I don't know when it's coming, but the shorts, they got to cover. They got to cover, baby. They got to. And that's what time it is. That's what time it is. They have to. So let's see. BBIG, we just got into, Discord fam, we just got into a 1 day play. Crazy high risk. Crazy. High risk comes high reward. So I went very light. And let's see. You're going to let her cool off, come down, see what she does. See what she does. See what she does. What's going on with you? What's going on with her? We want to see her run. So she's, and we don't got a babysitter right now. BBIG, we'll be just fine. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, I appreciate you. Let's see. Oh, my guy, Corey, the GOAT, the big dog, the beast. DoorDash put. Let's get it. I'll check him out in a second. Oh, look at that. My guy and Sean. Let's check him out. DoorDash put. Let's see. DoorDash put. Man, what's going on with my thing? I gotta reload this. So DoorDash, right? So it's all the way up 5%. If you get into a put, give yourself some time. Because this one has been consistently going up like crazy. So give yourself some time. That's all. Hey, look. Yep, BBIG call. I'm well in the green. I'm well in the green. And I did a market order on that too, so I can get a fill quick. High risk, high reward. Yeah, let's get it, baby. $9 call. And look at her. $9 now. And again, I don't plan on being in this one long. I'm not holding this one past today. I might even get out of it before the live stream is over. We'll see. We're holding on, though. Let's get it. Let's keep it going, baby. Let's keep it going. Keep running up for me. We love to see it. I can see this with this type of strength, family. Come on now. Let's put them. Oh, yeah. You asked me to show you how to do a channel, right? So like this, right? It's so simple. So just literally just put some diagonal lines. Try to find some touch confirmation points. The more confirmation points, the better. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4 confirmation points. I got to reload this app. It's like doing some weird stuff. And then we're going to put another one here. Boom. So we are in an uptrend, obviously. And we got a new support, which is going to be somewhere around 875. Right? Support around 875. So if it comes back down to 875 again, I would double down. But I don't plan on being in this long. This is a crazy, crazy swing. In out. In out. Okay. So now let's see. Somebody said SPY is trying to recover. Look at that. %80 of AMC is being traded out in dark pools as of when? That may not be reported yet on Stonko Tracker. Stonko Tracker. Oh, wow. Look at the shares available to borrow. It's 2 million. They're going to try to light us up tomorrow, potentially. But we got the diamond hands. We're good. We're good. Let's see. Let's see. Did I pass it? Oh, so officially 66 overall yesterday. But right now you might be talking about the 80%. Like within a specific time frame. Yo, I keep missing my chance to double down on BBIG. Because this one is showing so much strength. Like when it touches the line. Palantir's flying. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. He said you learned so much on the live streams. That's what's up, fam. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. But yeah, this one's consolidating right up here. And it's showing strength. Okay, yeah, cool. I'm buying another one. Here we go. All right. Let me see. I just picked up another. Same one. Now I have two. All right, yeah. If you're trying to follow my plays, I ain't gonna keep spamming it at everyone. Keep checking up on plays of the week. Cool, cool. Now I'm running up. We running, baby. Let's see what we're gonna do today. Cause this option is such a cheap price compared to other ones that we could force this one to work. Really. He said that when the live stream starts, I'm at work. You got them on though. Let's see where we go with this one today. I'll keep updating here, but I won't spam the at everyone button. I'm gonna tell you that. Hey, family, I'm almost up 20% on this call. Let's get it. Love day trading, making money with the fam. So far, so good. Remember, I don't plan on being in this one past today. I'm jumping out of this today, just know. Data is crazy on this one. That's time decay. If you didn't know, I'm up 26% so far. But yeah, family. So your boy, I gotta go. I love y'all. If you're trying to be up on the plays as early as we are, you already know what time it is. Hit that Discord link in the top. Discord family, we getting money, baby. Let's clap it up. Let's clap it up. I love getting money with the family while everybody else is crying about losing money. Let's clap it up, baby. Come on now. Let's get it. Let's get it. My guy said this. He said, I hope they drop all 3 million shares tomorrow so we could buy it, baby. That's what, yo, come on. You the big dog. Let them try it. They're going to be just like that Mario sound, baby. You the big dog. And then they're going to do that. They're going to do this. And then we going to run. That's what we talking about, baby. Let's get it. But again, I love y'all. If they try to drop all of these, shares on us tomorrow, look at this. 2.6 million shares. They can do what they want. But you know what? Stupid. We picking them up. We picking them up. They thought we was going to sell low. Stupid. I'm not going to let you get the chance. They thought we was going to sell low. Nope. Let them bring this down. Let them bring this down. Guess what we going to do? let them bring this down, family. Come on now. We loading up on all of the shares. Yeah, we loading up. We loading up, baby. But again, Discord family, I see y'all. We over there. We getting it. We killing it right now. I'm up. Yeah, we running with this play. So again, BBIG, let's get this money, baby. Other than that, I'll see you on the next one. See you on the video tomorrow, later. You already know what time it is. But if you can't handle the heat of these hot stocks, to stay out of the kitchen and consider investing in index funds. Again, family, at the end, I tell you because I love you. I love y'all. And I don't think that you hear it enough, but you're going to hear it from me. Take care.